life gets heavy, I know it's true.
Beautiful babes, it's not a secret to get voluptuous breasts and buttocks. Guess what? We are going to explore each ingredient that you'll need to use, whether individually using these ingredients or collectively using them. We're going to talk about that today in this video, so make sure you stick and stay to the end. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and make sure you're in the know each and every time I upload. Beautiful babes, we don't want to wait, we want it now. Let's get to it. Yes, beautiful babes, look, this is something that you want to really hear about today. We're talking about an enhancing cream that you can make at home. Now, this is for firming, tightening, and lifting. And you can use it on your breast or you can use it on the buttocks. Now, what we're going to be doing is talking about individually each of these ingredients, and you can combine what you have at home or use them again individually. See, the act of rubbing and massaging the buttocks and breasts with any lubricant is most definitely beneficial, as it increases circulation, as is most definitely beneficial as it increases circulation and can help improve the tone of the buttocks or breast. And if you apply a little bit of exercise with this, guess what? You'll even get more profound results. A unique blend of powerful ingredients make for the maximum butt or breast enhancement cream. So we're going to break out all of those ingredients in just a moment. Now, the ingredients we're going to talk about will help stimulate the growth of new cells and muscles to enhance the areas applied, meaning enhance, bigger, make them fuller, a fuller looking butt, voluptuous boobs. Yes, it's about to be summertime, and honey, we gonna be outside. Definitely want the body popping, and we want to do it quickly and easily. So time is right upon us. Usually it'll take a month or two of use for maximum results, but I know you're going to use these items consistently and continuously, so you should be banging in no time. Now, it doesn't matter the age, massaging those two areas will definitely show some improvement. If you don't see anything, you're not working hard enough. So let's get to these ingredients. The first being cocoa butter, a great source of antioxidants which help combat free radicals and help to save your skin. Cocoa butter can also improve your skin tone and elasticity, also decrease present stretch marks and prevent future ones. Cocoa butter, and don't worry, I'll have ready shop links down in the description box so you can shop those links and get what you need out of this list. Next up, we have avocado oil. When it comes to skin elasticity and hydration, nutrient-rich avocado works well as a deep tissue skin moisturizer. It's going to help treat wrinkled areas, undernourished skin, and the high fat content will help to reduce inflammation and provide flexibility and integrity to the skin cells. And let me also share with you Shea Butter. Shea Butter will help slow down the skin aging process. When applied regularly, it will boost your skin's natural collagen production as well as soothe it for a more youthful look. And one of my favorites is glycerin. I've talked about it time and time again, but glycerin is going to help hydrate and also help to maintain the outer barrier of your skin. Now, if you have to watch this video again, you're welcome to do that. You know I don't have a problem with that, right? We're going to talk about these right now, so get ready for the next group. The next up is vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that's commonly found in all types of skincare products. The use for vitamin E is that it helps create smoother and firmer skin. It can also help replenish collagen levels and improve overall skin quality. Then we have coconut oil. There's vitamin E in coconut oil as well. It is going to help provide deep, nutrient-rich hydration. Do you have rosehip oil at home? Here's another ingredient that you can add to your mix. It's going to help to tighten and tone the skin. Rosehip oil is rich in omega-3, omega-6, and fatty acids. These vitamins gives your skin a youthful appearance by accelerating the skin's cellular activity and slow down the aging process. It's no magic trick. Yeah, these look alike, don't they? But this is jojoba oil. It is enriched with vitamins and fatty acids that will help to plump the skin. Do y'all hear the terminology here? Plumping and replenishing collagen and elasticity. All of this is what you need in order to get the buttocks and the breasts looking more youthful, firmer, tighter, lifted. You need these items, and we're not finished yet. We're going to talk about orange essential oil, sweet orange essential oil. This is going to help nourish your skin. It's high in vitamin C, and we know that vitamin C helps in stimulating collagen production. You feel me? Do you feel what I'm saying? Yes, you do. Of course you do. Let's move on. Macadamia oil, which is going to help stimulate the pituitary gland to raise hormonal levels that boost the volume of your buttocks and your breast. Yes, macadamia oil. Get this oil, y'all. Get this oil. The link is below. Yes, it is. And then we've all heard about caffeine, which is here to diminish the look of sagging skin. It's going to help tighten and firm the skin. If you've ever purchased any type of cellulite creams or tightening creams or firming creams, you will notice they all contain caffeine. That is what caffeine is for. It's also helpful in tightening the under eye area. So look at your ingredients on the back of some of the products that you've purchased that you simply failed to use. Listen, get back to it. If you don't have these things, go back to those particular products that you've already purchased. Check out the ingredients and you'll see many of the things that I'm mentioning right here are included in those particular items. And y'all, finally, the final item I'm going to mention is aloe vera gel. This is going to help to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Hydrated skin looks more nourished. It looks plumper instead of crepey, wrinkly skin. That is definitely going to tell that you are up in years. So we want to reverse that by moisturizing and hydrating our skin. Aloe vera gel is going to help diminish the look of the wrinkles. So that's going to help your skin look plumper. Your chest and breast area look plumper. Your buttocks area look plumper. Once you've decided on which of these ingredients you're going to use in your cream, or if you're going to use all of them, all you have to do is apply it onto the desired area and massage and massage and massage in circular motions until fully absorbed. For best results, use this after showering or on your warm, wet skin twice daily, if at all possible, until you get the desired results. As I said, twice daily, every day, 2 times a day, if you can do this, okay? Now, of course, if you slack, don't expect any results. You have to condition your body in order to receive these wonderful ingredients. So it's going to take consistency twice a day. every day to make this happen. With these powerful mix of ingredients, you can get the breast and the buttocks you've always dreamed of. And you'll start noticing results within a matter of days. Just follow the directions as I've outlined them, and you'll begin to see results in just a matter of a week or two. Yes, it does work, but you gotta spend some time with it. Got it? Got it. All right, I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. I hope you enjoyed today's video, got something out of it. If you did, make sure you let me know. All you have to do is drop a like on this video or share some hearts down in the comments. That'll be wonderful. I will see you all on the next one. Again, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and keep doing what you're doing, beautiful babes. You're amazing. Please continue to share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Right over you. But don't you break, don't you bend. This ain't the way your story ends. Take a deep breath, dry your eyes. Lift your head up to the skies. There's a fire